out of control.
CNN is told President Trump was briefed within just a few minutes of the initial alert in Hawaii that it was a false alarm. But if somehow it had become unclear whether a North Korean missile was really flying toward the U.S. or not, and the president felt he had to act, he'd have a frighteningly short amount of time to respond.
The president has 5 or 6 minutes to make a decision. There'll be 3 or 4 minutes to implement that decision by the War Room in the Pentagon, 1 additional minute for the underground crews to fire their missiles, and another 15 minutes for submarine crews to fire their weapons.
At that point, nuclear-tipped missiles are flying at 4 miles per second. Analysts now warn of what could happen in the coming months during this period of what one expert calls the Wild West of ballistic missile testing. The North Koreans may take the next major step in their weapons program and test a nuclear-tipped missile over the Pacific.
Instead of sending it high over the Earth's atmosphere and almost straight down, they could send it almost all the way across the Pacific Ocean. That would look like a missile intended to hit a target in the United States. The United States would not know whether that missile is armed with a nuclear warhead or a dummy warhead. So in that event, we might have a U.S. reaction that then could lead to a kinetic response on the part of the North Koreans.
Bruce Blair, a nuclear launch officer at the height of the Cold War, says Kim Jong-un's regime will soon have its nuclear weapons on launch-ready alert